Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to delete background color in Photoshop or two way. Step 1, select the gradient tool. Right click on your mouse, paint bucket tool, and foreground mode normal to clear, opacity 100%, tolerance 32. Okay, then select click color, then remove automatically for this on color and remove this color. Best way, add click quick selection tool, select hold alter or remove selection, or see this plus or minus. Okay, okay, then clicking mask. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.